Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make extremely easy, healthy and gluten-free cookies, chocolate chip cookies. So let's get started. So for this recipe we'll just need a few ingredients, but the ingredients are very simple. Half a cup or 85 grams of chocolate chip. We will need half a cup or 85 grams of buckwheat flour. I'll link in the description below where you can find it. Half a cup or 60 grams of gluten-free oats. Half a cup of peanut butter. By the way, the measurements in grams and in cups I'll put in the description below just to not make this recipe too long. Yeah, a pinch of cinnamon, 1 flax egg, 1 mashed banana and about 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. So the ingredients are these, so let's get started with the cookies. So with your clean hands, yes, just take a tablespoon of the mixture, roll it into a bowl, transfer into the paper and just press it down to form the cookies. So this was my recipe of oats, buckwheat and chocolate chip cookies. They're gluten-free, healthy. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe if you're new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday new, interesting, simple and healthy recipes. Thank you very much and see you next time.